Hello guys, gagawa tayo ng spaghetti. So, we have our oil. Let's add our onion. Igisa natin hanggang sa maging transparent. Then add our onion, bawang. Lutuin mabuti. Then after that, lagay natin ng ating meat. You can use ground beef or ground pork. Pwede ding chicken. So, yan. Haluin mabuti hanggang sa maluto yung pork. After that, this is optional. We have our mushroom and pickles. This is optional. You can skip the pickles. Yun na nga, nagkalabo-labo na. Nag-add tayo ng hotdogs. At ang ating spaghetti sauce. You can use sweet style, Pinoy style sweet, or the Italian spaghetti sauce. So while you're doing that, pakuluan nyo na yung inyong tubig para sa inyong pasta. Para same na silang naluluto. Tatlong kilong sauce yung nagamit natin. You can add banana ketchup and then our condensed milk, then lutuin mabuti, pepper and salt to taste. Then, ayan na ang ating spaghetti. Top it with Parmesan cheese. Thank you.